Imagine a land where East meets West, where cultures collide and harmonize, creating a unique blend of art, cuisine, and tradition. Welcome to Turkey. This enchanting country straddles two continents, Europe and Asia, serving as a bridge between them. Its geographical position has endowed it with a rich history that dates back to ancient times, when it was home to some of the world's earliest civilizations. Over the centuries, empires have risen and fallen here, each leaving its mark and contributing to the cultural mosaic that is modern-day Turkey. A place where ancient ruins rub shoulders with bustling markets, where you can sip tea in the shadow of a Byzantine cathedral one day and explore a Roman amphitheater the next. It's a nation of contrasts and contradictions, but one that always manages to strike a harmonious balance. Now, prepare yourself to embark on a journey through Turkey's 10 most breathtaking landscapes and tourist attractions. First stop, Cappadocia, a geological oddity of honeycombed hills and towering boulders. This mesmerizing destination is known for its unique formations, shaped by millions of years of natural phenomena. It's like stepping into another world, where ancient cave dwellings whisper stories of the past. And let's not forget the impressive hot air balloon rides, a spectacle that paints the sky with a sea of colors at dawn. It's a sight that's hard to match. Cappadocia, a place that looks like it's straight out of a fairy tale. Next, we travel to Pamukkale, known as Cotton Castle in Turkish. This spectacular natural site is renowned for its terraces of carbonate minerals, created by flowing water over millennia. These gleaming white terraces, cascading down the hillside, are a sight to behold. But Pamukkale isn't just about natural wonders. Perched atop the site, you'll find the ancient Roman ruins of Hierapolis, adding a layer of human history to the natural grandeur. Pamukkale, where nature's beauty meets human history. Our journey continues to Ephesus, a city of colossal monuments and marble-columned roads. Imagine walking through the Library of Celsus, an ancient edifice once home to thousands of scrolls. Picture the Great Theater, where gladiators battled beneath the unyielding gaze of tens of thousands of spectators. And let's not forget the Temple of Artemis, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, its majesty still resonating through the ages. Ephesus, a testament to the grandeur of Roman engineering. We now ascend to the peak of Mount Ararat, the highest mountain in Turkey. This majestic peak holds great significance, etched in biblical history as the final resting place of Noah's Ark. Its mystery and allure have captivated the hearts of many, from historians seeking traces of the legendary Ark to mountaineers and trekkers drawn by the challenge of its rugged slopes. It's an enigmatic blend of mythology and natural beauty that begs to be explored. Mount Ararat, where legends and landscapes converge. Our next stop is the ancient city of Troy, a place of war, heroes, and horse. Troy is steeped in mythology, with archaeological finds revealing truths behind the legendary Trojan War. Imagine the clashing of swords and the rallying cries of warriors as we explore the reconstructed city walls and gates. The age-old stones whisper tales of valor, of cunning deception, and the famous wooden horse. Troy, a city that still echoes with the tales of its legendary past. Now, let's marvel at the architectural wonder that is Hagia Sophia. Originally built as a cathedral in the 6th century, it later served as a mosque after the Ottoman conquest, and today stands as a museum. Its colossal dome, a marvel of Byzantine engineering, is adorned with intricate mosaics that tell tales of the past. The Hagia Sophia is not just a building, it's a symbol of Istanbul and a testament to the city's layered history. Next, we explore the opulence of Topkapi Palace. Steeped in history, Topkapi Palace was once the grand residence of Ottoman sultans for nearly 4 centuries. Imagine the sultans strolling through the luxurious courtyards, contemplating matters of state. Beyond the courtyards, the palace is a treasure trove, housing priceless artifacts, from jeweled thrones to sacred relics. Every corner of Topkapi Palace whispers tales of power, intrigue, and lavish lifestyles. Topkapi Palace, a glimpse into the lavish lifestyle of the Ottoman Empire. We now journey back in time to Göbekli Tepe, the world's oldest known temple. This enigmatic archaeological marvel, nestled in southeastern Turkey, is a testament to humankind's ancient ingenuity. Its massive, intricately carved stone pillars, some weighing up to 50 tons, are a sight to behold. Despite decades of research, the identity of its builders remains shrouded in mystery. sparking intrigue and speculation among scholars and visitors alike. Göbekli Tepe, a place that challenges our understanding of human history. Finally, we end our journey in the coastal city of Antalya, the Turkish Riviera. This sparkling gem offers a blend of sun-kissed beaches and historic sites, making it a perfect getaway for history buffs and sun worshippers alike. The city's vibrant nightlife is a cherry on the top, offering a range of experiences from serene beachside lounges to energetic dance clubs. With its captivating blend of natural beauty and cultural richness, Antalya stands where the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean meet the rugged Taurus Mountains. And so, we come to the end of our journey through the breathtaking landscapes and attractions of Turkey. We've explored the fairy chimneys of Cappadocia, bathed in the white terraces of Pamukkale, and walked the ancient streets of Ephesus. We've scaled the heights of Mount Ararat, delved into the history of Troy, and marveled at the grandeur of Hagia Sophia. We've roamed the opulent halls of Topkapi Palace, stood in awe at the archaeological wonder of Göbekli Tepe, and soaked up the sun in the coastal paradise of Antalya. Each location, a unique gem in the crown of Turkey's rich cultural and natural heritage. As we say goodbye to this extraordinary journey, remember that this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to see, to learn, to experience. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.